morning. Good morning. Good morning. Like it's dark out here in the truck. Yeah, good morning. We out here this morning again. Back at it. About to get out here and put all of these tools, gadgets to work. Doing what we love. Doing this HVAC. Hey, we want to thank you for all the likes and subscriptions that we've received from the people out there who was liking, subscribe to our content. We would like you to continue to like and subscribe and leave your comments and tell us what you think. And we do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.